Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create a curved bracket in Sibelius. I want to answer the question from YouTube. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you have to create a new score first. Okay, and the type of the score for this example, I want to choose piano, and page size, let it be letter, and okay, 4 okay, title, okay, and then create. And after that, this is a curved bracket. For changing the bracket, you have to choose notations, and then in here there are three types of bracket: bracket, brace, and sub-bracket. First, if you don't like the brace in here, you just click the bracket and click delete. After that, click here on the first bar line and click bracket. Okay, and if you want to change to sub-bracket, just click here, delete, and then click here again and click sub-bracket. Okay, if you don't like sub-bracket, if you want to change to brace again, you can undo or click brace. Okay, it's so simple. So the first thing I want to review again. First, click notations, look at the bracket or brace, choose from here. You can choose bracket, brace, and sub-bracket. Before that, you have to delete the bracket in here and choose the bracket you want to put in your instrument, and that's it. That's how you change the bracket. See you on the next video. Thank you.